Nash update. Been working on it finally. Got the factory body mounts and stuff ground off of it, cut off of it. Got the frame shortened up 8 inches. These S10s are really nice here. They got factory seam right there. And just cut it off, shorten it up, slide it in, X'd my frame out, made sure it was all good. Look at that nice weld. Yeah, got me a new welder. Actually got me a welder. Titanium from Harbor Freight. Thing works like a dream, welds like a dream. Made myself a nice little welding cart. Old bench of some sort with wheels on it. Works great. Cut a hole in it, stick the cylinder in it. Perfect. This is what I've been really working on. The Nash. I got the rear suspension, rear end out of it. Been kind of plucking along at this. Chopping a little bit of the floor out. I don't want to cut too much out till I get it all X-braced and crossed and whatnot. That way it all holds together when I start cutting that out, so then I can slide it over the frame and start building the floor. Today I ripped out the whole front suspension. Wasn't too bad. It was all right. That's my dumb dog. Yeah, here it is. As soon as I get all that X'd out and whatnot and that all cut out, the floor, I gotta cut back up into where the rear shock towers are. And then I gotta maintain the outer part of the, so it'll basically be kind of like my inner fender. It's a double walled unit since it's a unibody car. But yeah, this is what I've been up to. So I'm actually making some progress. It's kind of nice. So maybe in a couple weeks I'll be able to get it slid up onto that frame and start building the floor for it instead of the Flintstone floorboards. I'll show you my dog. He's kind of a dumb. Bud! Patch! He don't listen. He's stupid. Yeah, good boy. Anyways, that's what I've been up to. I'll upload it. I don't have many subscribers. I don't have very many views, but I got some things in the work. Maybe I'll get some more. Maybe not. Who knows? I'm having fun. All right. Later.